Okay, we're ready.
5, 4, 3.
Watch Maya. Maya, watch.
Maya, 1. Heads up.
All right.
Whoa.
Oh, all right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't see him. Whoa, that thing went high.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Daniel, let him go get it. Daniel, come here.
Okay. All right, it's ready. Let's go launch it.
Come back.
Nice.
Are you doing yours? Chad's doesn't work. Are you doing yours? Chad? Yeah. My little one.
Very cool. What do you think, Maya?
It shoots off and then it comes apart into 2 pieces and then floats down with 2 parachutes on each piece. Mine went super far out.
Good job, man.
What's that we'll use? We'll use Grandpa's hat as one landing station.
Yeah.
Now burn the hole! Sweet!
That's a little better.
Oh yeah! Shoot. I'll be a while before that one comes down. Shoot!
On the ground.
All my time and labor into nothing.
Hey, James, I think you're going to have to launch that one out in the middle of the field.
Boom.
Smacking my nose, Dad.
Look at the
Appreciate
hole.
it.
4, 3. Maya, watch. Watch the rocket.
Oh, I'm sorry. 2, 1. Another good one. I saw the fire. I saw the flame. I saw the flame.
Did you?
I did. I saw it. Go, Dad.
Hey, Chad, get ready to duck.
We're going to shoot at the same time as they do.
I'm not gone yet.
Go.
You get the end, Tobe. I'm going to get the
Yank
rocket.
it out. Make sure it's not stuck in the ground.
Yeah.
I saw the smoke. I saw the smoke.
Did you?
Oh yeah, it was good.
Oh, that one's gone.
That was a good one, Tobe. That was awesome.
Nice.
Nice launch, Tobe.
Fire in the hole!
Let me brush up your pins.
Fire in the hole.
I love that.
Nice, Alan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I don't know about this nose cone. It's a little snug.
Ah, he'll probably blow off.
I've got it all undone.
If not, it'll be a lawn dart.
We're hoping. I think it's going to be a lawn dart.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Holy cow.
Get any launches out there?
Yeah, we got several, probably 7 or 8.
Good man. I hope I don't regret that. Back up there. Fire in the hole. I got to see that. Oh,